Welcome. If you're new to Excel or just want to boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 10 simple and powerful Excel tricks that will help you work smarter and faster. Whether you want to organize your data better, create eye-catching reports, or just save time, these tips are perfect for beginners and anyone looking to get more out of Excel. Let's dive in and start mastering Excel together. Tip 1. Using the status bar. You have a list of sales figures in column A, A1 to A10, and want to quickly know the total sales without writing a formula. Simply select the range A1 to A10, and the status bar at the bottom of the Excel window will display the sum, average, and count of the selected cells. Tip 2. Data validation. You are creating a form for employees to submit their department. To ensure consistency, you want to provide a drop-down list of departments, e.g., sales, marketing, HR. Select the cell where you want the drop-down, go to the Data tab, click on Data Validation, choose Team List, and enter the department names. Now, users can only select from the predefined options. Tip 3. Text to columns. You have a column of full names in column A, e.g., John Doe, and want to separate first and last names into two columns. Select column A, go to the Data tab, click on Text to Columns, choose Delimited, and select the space as the delimiter. This will split the names into two separate columns. Tip 4. Using comments. You are collaborating on a budget spreadsheet and want to leave notes for your colleague about specific expenses. Right-click on a cell with an expense, select Insert Comment, and type your note. Example: consider reducing this expense next quarter. Your colleague can hover over the cell to see your comment. Tip 5. Quick Access Toolbar. You frequently use the save and undo commands while working on your project. To make them more accessible, click the small arrow at the top left of the Excel window, find Save and Undo in the list, and add them to the Quick Access Toolbar. Now, you can easily access these commands without navigating through the ribbon. Tip 6. Conditional formatting. Highlight important data by using conditional formatting. Select your data range, go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose Rules to apply. Tip 7. Hide rows or columns. You have a detailed financial report with several rows of data that are not currently relevant to your presentation. To declutter the view, you can hide those rows. Right-click on the row numbers you want to hide and select Hide. You can later unhide them by selecting the adjacent rows, right-clicking, and choosing Unhide. Tip 8. Using the Format Painter. You have formatted one cell with a specific font, color, and border style that you want to apply to other cells. Select the formatted cell, click on the Format Painter icon in the toolbar, and then click on the cells you want to format. This quickly applies the same formatting without having to redo it manually. Tip 9. Grouping data. You have a large data set with monthly sales data for different products. To make it easier to analyze, you can group the data by product category. Select the rows for a specific category, right-click, and choose Group. This allows you to collapse or expand the data for that category, making your worksheet more organized. Tip 10. Fill handle. Use the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of a selected cell, to quickly copy formulas or fill in a series like dates or numbers by dragging it down or across. And that's a wrap on 10 Excel tips every beginner should know. Whether you're organizing data or just getting started, these tricks will save you time and frustration. Got a favorite Excel shortcut or question? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.